Okay, we are going to learn double displacement reaction. Topic is double displacement reaction. We have learned displacement reaction. In that we have seen that one single element, that means more reactive metal, can displace the solution of less reactive metal. That was the example of single displacement reaction. Here we have double displacement reaction. Double displacement means both the uh, both the elements in a reactant are involved and exchange their ions. I will explain this. Here we can see formation of barium sulfate. Here barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Now how these are formed? Here in this test tube we have solution of sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate, we have solution of sodium sulfate in this test tube. This is first reactant, and in this test tube we have solution of barium chloride. This is our second reactant. Now combination of sodium sulfate and barium chloride gives us barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So we will see how it works. We have sodium sulfate, Na is sodium, and sulfate SO4 in aqueous form. Okay, and another reactant is barium, Ba, and chloride, Cl2. Now what happens? The product becomes BaSO4. So this is our Ba, and it reacts with sulfur. Now these converted into two ion. Na, if we want to write down this into ion form, it becomes Na 2 plus. So the Na2 valency of Na is 1 plus. Okay, so we make it 1 plus with number of ion 2. Okay, and sulfate SO4, this become SO4. We have no polyatomic ion minus 2. Okay, this can be divided into these two ions, Na plus and SO4 minus. Now Ba barium two plus and Cl minus, but there are two Cl. Okay, these two ions can be derived from barium chloride. Now what happens between these ions? What happens between these ions? The plus ion linked with negative, means barium is plus 2, that combined with SO4, this become group. This joined with this and become barium sulfate. Okay, plus 2 and minus 2. Here also we have plus 2 and minus, plus ion and minus ion. So now combine this one with this and they become sodium chloride. Okay, do you understand the whole procedure? Again, I will explain it. We have sodium sulfate. it can be divided, it can be separated into Na plus and SO4 minus. Barium chloride, it can be separated into Ba2 plus barium ion and chlorine ion. Now what happened in a double displacement reaction? Ion exchanges and form different solution. Now SO4 from this sodium sulfate and Ba barium from barium chloride makes a compound, and that is barium sulfate, and Na from sodium sulfate and chlorine from barium chloride, they also make another solution, that is sodium chloride. So this become your double displacement reaction. And one more point is explained here: reaction that produces a precipitate can be called precipitation reaction. Here we have two reactants, sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Both are in aqueous form. Both are in aqueous form. But the product that we gain, that is solid. The product we get, that is solid. One is solid and another is aqueous. So the solid that we receive, that is precipitate. જે સોલિડ આપણને મળે છે એ તમારા શું છે? પ્રેસિપિટેટ છે. એટલે બેરિયમ સલ્ફેટના પ્રેસિપિટેટ એટલે કે સોલિડ ફોર્મમાં નાના નાના ટુકડા આપણને આ સોલ્યુશનમાં મળશે. આ જે નાના નાના ટુકડા દેખાય છે તમને, ધેટ ઇઝ બેરિયમ સલ્ફેટ. આ તમારું બેરિયમ સલ્ફેટ છે. અને જે સોલ્યુશન છે તમારું, ધેટ ઇઝ સોડિયમ ક્લોરાઇડ. આ સોલ્યુશન જે બને છે તમારું, ધેટ ઇઝ સોડિયમ ક્લોરાઇડ. બરાબર, કેમ કે we mix sodium sulfate and barium chloride, so we get barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. This is the description of double displacement reaction. Now would you like to ask any question?